Sichuan Mapo Tofu. Ingredients. For the sauce: 3 tablespoons jiang, red fermented broad bean paste. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 tablespoon douchi, salted black bean. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1½ cup water or chicken broth, divided. For the dish: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 150 grams, 1/3 of a pound, lean ground pork. 1 large white onion, diced. 1 package medium firm tofu, cut into cubes. 1 teaspoon chili oil, optional. If you like more spice, add more; if not, omit. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground Sichuan peppercorn. Chopped green onions, for garnish. Instructions. For the sauce: in a small bowl, mix together the jiang, red broad bean paste, sugar, and douchi, salted black bean. Set aside. In another small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon cornstarch and half seawater or chicken broth. Mix until the cornstarch is dissolved. For the dish: heat a large wok over high heat. Add in 1 tablespoon oil. Add in the ground pork and using a spatula, break it up into small pieces. Fry for about 2 minutes. Add in the diced onion and fry with the pork until fragrant, about another 3–4 minutes. Next, add the cubed tofu to the pork mixture and stir gently to mix. Add the remaining 1 cc of water, chicken broth, along with the jiang sauce mixture and stir to coat the pork and tofu. Bring the mixture up to a boil, and then add in the cornstarch slurry. The sauce will thicken and coat all of the pork, tofu and onion. Add in chili oil and ground Sichuan peppercorn, if you wish. When the mapo tofu comes to a simmer, remove it from heat and garnish with chopped green onions. Serve hot over steamed rice.